Carla! Carla! Carla, let go of the tripod, please. Vente. Here. You can be in my video. Vente. Alright. Yes, you can have some chocolate chips. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope that you are all staying safe and happy inside. There's good chocolate chips.
It's good.
Did she say good? Are they good? Do you look good?
It's good.
She's saying good. Aww.
It's good.
Alright, so I'm just here with my lemon water.
What's that? What's that?
Oh, that's almond flour.
And then?
Yeah, here, have a sip.
No.
Oh, alright. Alright. But myself are staying safe and healthy inside, and here's a little quarantine recipe you can do. They're paleo cookies, and they are delicious. Right, Carla?
It's good.
Yep, it's good. Carla approved. Yeah, but
It's good.
Hey. Alright, don't drop them, please. Alright, you're gonna want 1.5 cups of coconut, unsweetened coconut, basically this, you know. And you're gonna want 1.5 cups of almond flour, but it's just normal almond flour. It's been like nicely grounded, so it's not all crunchy like sand. And you're also gonna want 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and you're gonna want 1/4 teaspoon of salt, or AKA a pinch. And you're gonna want 2 teaspoons of just some normal oil, and you're gonna want a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I feel like 1/2 teaspoon is just the cap. That's what I usually measure, but you can do what you want. And I know I said I'm not like a measuring person, but for this kind of recipe, you gotta have the right things or it's gonna be nasty. And then you're gonna want 1/4 cup of maple syrup. And we just get this organic maple syrup. Please sponsor me. Alright. And you're also going to want 1 egg. And remember, the oranger the eggs are, the tastier they are. Because I remember like eating eggs that are like literally like as orange as this, and they were delicious. And you're also gonna want a big bowl. And let's start off with that coconut. Coconut's so good. Whoa, look! Here, I'll give you a little piece. Oh, you don't like it? And you're gonna want, here you go, Gold Glass. Please sponsor me, Starbucks. You're gonna want the 1.5 cups of flour. Oh, Nita. You can't have that. No. I'm sorry. It's coconut. Yes. Hey. do that. Not yet, almost. And so you're gonna want half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Here we are. Ooh. That was like half a teaspoon that fell in, so we're just gonna, I'll just put this elsewhere. A quarter cup of maple syrup. I love this maple syrup. It is so tasty. It is. Yeah, it's delicious. Mira. Whoa. Right. Should I pour it? Pour it? Una, dos. Yay! We're gonna need 1 egg. And you're just gonna mix that stuff in the middle with a little fork or whatever you like better, like a little whisk or a spoon. Take a sip. Okay, but now you're gonna want to preheat your oven to 350. That's the timer. Okay, alright. But you're also gonna want to add in. Well, you're gonna add in these. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'll just show them to the camera. Alright, you're gonna want to mix them together. Make sure that you incorporate everything into each other. So here's a good amount of, it's a good ratio of like little dough to coconut to flour the coconut. It's okay. Thank you. Gracias. Yay! Oh, wanna mix? Mira. Oh. Here you go. It's alright. Yeah. Oh, this is crazy. Alright. Now we are mixed. And the oven's preheating. We are good. Stay there. Carla Leticia. Oh, thank you. But that's all. No, that's okay. Thank you. It's all done. Oh. Thank you. No, it's okay. Why did you do that? Also, if you want them to be more of a macaroon type, add a 1/3 cup. Wait, you're gonna want to add more of the coconut flour macaroon type cookie, but you're gonna want to add less type. What's up? Oh, I'm sorry, you can't have the soul. Here, I'm just gonna fill it up. I'm gonna fall. Carla, it's okay. So salty. Dad,
Okay, come on.
let's go outside. Yeah. Okay. I think we can all agree Carla's a little crazy. Alright, but now we can continue. And also, these are dairy-free chocolate chips. They weren't too expensive, but you know, you get what you paid for. Like, they're good. And to make these like paleo, you just gotta use almond flour and dairy-free chocolate chips, like I did. Or you can make it unpaleo and use normal flour and normal chocolate chips, and it'll probably taste the same. And now the oven is ready, so I better get these onto a tray. Okay. So we just get a baking sheet and get some, whatever this paper is called, Also, you guys better make sure to wash your hands because there is a pandemic. And I don't want to hear any of that. Oh, it's not real. Carla! Alright, but I don't want to hear any of that. It's not real. Oh, hey, Carla. Oh, hey, Carla. I remember her from this one scary story that my mom told me about the house because her tia Manuela would say like in the morning usually like to my grandma, she'd be like, not a bit like I saw like footsteps in the mud outside this morning and I heard something running around the house last night. And the thing is, running around the house usually signifies like demons are there. I should make a little baby one for Carla. Make sure it doesn't burn. Whenever like someone's like, oh, I made this with love, they licked the spoon and kept on using it. That's what they mean. Yeah, I think my tia Manuela was like the one who like finally convinced my grandma, my mom's mom, that there was like demons in the house, and there was, and it was really bad. There's like little girls who would like appear out of nowhere, and they were like old style clothing and have like toys. Yeah, I even see like stuff in the house, so I know that it's real. And so is the coronavirus, so don't say that it's not real. I was looking for scissors and cut this about that. So you're gonna want to put your little cookies in there for 10 to 13 minutes. So at 10 minutes, what you're supposed to do is like check if they're at that nice little golden brown consistency, I think it's called. And if they're not, then you put them for 3 more minutes and they will be. And after they come out, you're gonna wanna leave them in the cool for like 5 to 10 minutes because they will crumble to pieces and it will make you cry. So you just wait for them to cool down, then you put them on just a normal plate, and you can have as many as you want. Well, that's a lie because you shouldn't have a ton of cookies because that's kind of unhealthy, little paleo. Now we just wait for those to come out. Skip to 10 minutes ahead. Oh my god. Ah! The oven's going off. Alright, 10 minutes past our 10 seconds, so I'm gonna ask very cough hard. Oh, my brows just fell off. Ooh, they're thick. I almost freaking burnt my arm on the oven. Why is it burning to the glove? Alright. I really want to touch one. Alright, they're really soft. We just need them to cool down for a little while longer. I will help the process. Here, I'll show you in a second. There. I've got them back. There we go. Yes. I was about to grab that pan. Let's put that over there. Alright. Here's the cookie. If we all fell, I'd be so sad. Well, there they are. Alright. I'll try them later. Alright. Are they good?
They're really good.
Awesome.
Ma, a banana.
Oh, Carla! Ooh. Carla, do you want to try?
She already got it.
Oh.
Alright, let me try one of these out.
I think this is where Granville finds out that they make you upset.
They're
They're
good.
Thank you.
Crunchy on the outside and soft on the inside. Really good. Good job.
Thank you. Okay, let's try it. It's good. These are my children. Okay, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. Like and subscribe and comment for any like ideas of like stuff I should film, because I need some ideas. And I hope you all have a great day. Bye!